In this video, we will cover cycle graph quick actions, specifically how to set a fill volume within the RJG CoPilot software. When viewing the cycle graph, if you look to the right of the screen, you'll see a teal-colored tab. When you select the tab, the Quick Actions box will appear, with the option to set fill volume. But first, we need to select that portion of the cycle graph, using the Select Time Range button, and narrowing the time range, using the selection bar. For our example, we'll make a selection of about 3 seconds. On the graph, the injection pressure is the red curve. And the pink curve is the volume curve. And you'll notice that we have this transition point. This transition point also aligns with the drop in injection pressure. These 2 points should align, indicating the end of the filling phase of the process. When we put our cursor where that transition begins, and select it, a number appears. 0.97 inches cubed. This is the fill volume. To set the fill volume, we can now go ahead and select Set Fill Volume in the Quick Actions tab. After selecting Set Fill Volume, a green bar notification will appear at the bottom of the screen, letting you know that you have successfully set your fill volume. Setting the fill volume for the process allows the CoPilot system to associate the time that it took to reach that volume with that measurement, essentially giving you a fill time. If you need to make changes to the currently set fill volume, you can simply select Reset Fill Volume once you have selected a different point in the graph. Thank you for watching this video regarding cycle graph quick actions, specifically how to set a fill volume within the CoPilot software. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.